Welcome to Skill School. Today we are excited to hear something in English from two of our amazing students who are still doing their course in Skill School. They have turned their fear of English into confidence. Now they can speak in English in any situation on any topic with confidence and fluency. So our today's topic is let's speak English with Skill School, and our motto is if anyone can speak in English with confidence, I can too. So without further ado, let's start with Samia. Hello Samia, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. What about you?
I'm also fine. Samia, could you please say something about yourself in English? I mean, who are you, what are you doing now, and what do you want to do in your near future?
Thank you, sir, for giving me a chance to introduce myself with others. Hello, my name is Samia Frinmim and I'm a student, and hopefully I will be graduated next year. And my aim is I will be completed my post-graduation in abroad. For this reason, I have to be fluent in spoken English. That's why I admitted myself in Skill School.
Samia, could you please tell us what is the best part of Skill School and the course that you are doing that has attracted you so much?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. I'm very grateful to you, sir, because your course structure is very attractive. Because in that course, you don't just focus on spoken English. You are focusing how to improve in English. You structure the course in 3 steps, and I think all the steps are important for all the students. Like in our first steps, we learn how to correct our sentence, because for speaking English, we have to correct our sentence. And in our second step, we learn how to translate English, Bangla to English. And this also be an important part, because if you understand English, then you also be expert in how to translate English in Bangla or Bangla to English. And our third step is topic discussion. It is the most important part who are fluent in English, because in that part you don't need to be expert on these topics, and in this part you have to be connect yourself how to feel yourself with this topic, or you have to express yourself in English, because when we started to talk in English, we don't express ourselves freely because we are very nervous. Also, me, before joining Skill School, I was very nervous, and after joining Skill School, when I completed my 2 months course, and now I'm feeling very confident, and now I express myself freely. Because sir always discusses topics with us in English, and in that topic also help us to learn much more vocabularies, and this helps us very much. And I think all the steps are very important for us, and those helps the students which part they're weak, and they correct easily themselves. So yes, and I'm very grateful to you, sir, because your course structure very attractive and very helpful to us. Thank you.
Okay, Samia, thank you. You have covered a lot of things. That the most important part of the course is the course module.
Yes, sir.
That means we cover the course in 3 steps.
Yes, sir.
At the first step, we teach the student how they can translate any Bangla sentence into English. And at the second step, we teach them how they can translate any passage, that means any conversation, into English. And then, as you are good at making any sentence in English and translating any passage into English, now the time is for speaking. That means now you can speak on any topic in any situation. That means we share a lot of topics. Suppose introduce yourself, what is your future plan, your friends and family, That means a lot of topics will be covered. That means it is something like that, face-to-face communication. We sit in front of each other and we select a topic and we speak for a long time on the topic. And we feel very natural and we feel confident at the time of picking the word, making the sentences on the topic. That means the most important thing of your spoken English is whether you are free, whether you have the freedom to make the sentences, to pick the words or not. That means, are you free to make the sentences, to transfer your feeling in English or not? That's the fluency level. That's the confidence that you need to do, that you need to have at the time of speaking. So Samia, you have find out the, Samia, you have got the right things that you have shared, that the course module is the most attractive part offered by Skill School. So this is turn for Maruf. Maruf, how are you today?
Sir, I'm fine. And how about you?
I'm also fine, Maruf, because you were in front of me and you were doing a great video for the audience. So it will help them a lot. I hope that. So, Mr. Maruf, could you please say something about yourself in English? I mean, who are you, what are you doing, and what do you want to do in your future after completing the course, or what is in your next plan? I mean.
Thank you, sir, for giving me an opportunity to say something. Hi, everyone. My name is Mohammad Maruf, and I am from Savar, Dhaka. Currently, I'm a student, and I'm learning speaking English at Skill School, and it really helps me a lot to be more fluent and speak English with confidence. At first, I was not very confident while speaking English, and I could understand a lot, but I couldn't speak smoothly. Then I decided to join Skill School, and it really helped me a lot to speak more fluently in English. My teacher, Mr. Pulak, he's very kind and supportive person. He always correct our mistake, and he always motivates us to speak in English. Thanks to him, because of his support, I have learned many things, and I am improving day by day. I want to study on abroad, and I want to communicate with others with confidence, and I'm improving day by day, and I'm practicing a lot to make it come true. And trust me, the best is yet to come, and I'm working hard to make it come true. Thank you, sir, for giving me a chance to, in front of others, to speak.
Yes, you have seen how fluent and confident they are at the time of spoken English. At Skill School, we don't feel that English is just a language. It's a growth opportunity that you should have. Believe me, if you can speak in English, 1,000 of doors of possibility will open in front of you. You just need to explore them. So I invite you to take my course and learn how to speak with confidence and fluency. And we want to see how high you can fly in the sky of possibility. So thank you very much. I will catch you in the next video.